What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right. And if you have any ideas or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. So today, you guys, we have a fun video. I'm not really making anything, but I'm going to show you how to put together a Polish boy. This beautiful treat that we have here today is native to all Ohioans. I'm sorry about that. And it is originated from Cleveland. This one, you guys will have most of these ingredients or these things inside your home. I got the Italian subs here. You can use pork or turkey. I'm using beef sausage, coleslaw. I'm not making a coleslaw today. I am cheating a little bit. However, I do have a video out there how to make the KFC style recipe coleslaw. You can check that out in the description below. And also cheating with the fries here as well. I do have a video out there how to make the perfect oven baked fry or baked oven fries or baked oven steak fries. You can catch that in the description below as well. And all you're going to need is some barbecue sauce. So the story goes that the whole boy was created by Virgil Whitmore, who opened up his Whitmore Original Barbecue House 1940s. However, he was working with beef sausage and a cross between a beef sausage and a kielbasa, and he put it together and put barbecue sauce with it. I might have it mixed up a little bit, but however, Virgil Whitmore was the one who created the po' boy. It's the Polish boy. It's not the po' boy. It's the Polish boy. Okay. If you come up here, if you're from Louisiana, and you come up here asking for a po' boy, this is what you're going to get. All right. So we're going to show you how to bake this. We're going to put the oven at 350 degrees. We're going to preheat that. So you want to take your sausage and you want to cut it like a sub or a hot dog size, bun size long. Alright, you can take the extra, we can cook this a later date, or you can make another po' boy out of this. Alright, we're just going to set this to the side. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to score the sausage. Scoring means putting little slits on the surface of any type of your meats that you're cooking. Sometimes like fish or sausage tend to curl. Scoring helps prevent that. Yes, who cares? We are putting in the pie pan. We're going to put this in the oven for about 15-20 minutes, alright? Alright. Until then, quick facts. Is a hot dog or sausage dog a category in itself, a sandwich, a sub, or a taco? According to the Cube rule, there are 8 categories of food. Each defines the placement of starch. Starch on the top and bottom and that is not connected is obviously a sandwich. Starch on the bottom and 2 opposing sides is a taco. Therefore, a hot dog and a sausage dog is a taco. Now, this was posted on Washington Post, December 12, 2018. Learn something new every day. But how did you guys like the quick facts? Didn't that take you for a little loop right there? It took me by surprise, and I was pretty excited about hearing that. So there you have it. All right. So now to making this our Polish boy. And actually, this is a meal all in itself. So I do want to say thank you, Mr. Virgil Whitmore. Now the original meal do not cause to have cheese. However, I'm a cheese connoisseur, so I'm going to eat it. I'm going to add it with mine. So how you build this? You're going to add the cheese first. This, breaking apart, sorry though. This is definitely a gourmet meal. We're going to add our sausage. Alright, so now we go ahead and we got that together. Okay, now the next thing is you're going to add your french fries or your steak fries. Again, if you want to know how to make the perfect oven steak fry, I do have a video out there. Again, you can check that out in the link in the description below. Now after you add your steak fries on, add as many as you like. Now we're going to go ahead, we're going to add our coleslaw. Add on there just like so. Sometimes you got sausage. And you always have a bag of French fries in your house, especially somebody who loves French fries like my wife does. You're gonna have it. And if you like breakfast, you're gonna have sausage. Add it all together. Okay. Now the part that everybody's been waiting for is this sausage dog. This taco is not meant to be clean. It is a messy taco. So look at that. Look at that. Go ahead and show you this monstrosity. Look at that. Now that's a meal in itself. That's a meal in itself. Go ahead and Oh, okay. So you guys can see this is a messy, but it's fun. It's fun to eat when you go out. Again, I love it. I'm glad that I love it. I'm glad that I am an Ohioan, and that I'm able to be a part of this beautiful treat, which is the Polish boy, which is created in Cleveland, Ohio. So, hey, hopefully you guys will make it. You guys will love it. If you guys make it, send me a picture and tell me and share with me how you felt about it, okay? Well, I want to say thanks again, you guys, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to the bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 things and to our next food adventure. Peace.